Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money on YouTube with AI, even if you have no budget. So if you are new and watching my video, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. We know that starting a YouTube channel can be expensive, but with the help of AI, you can create great content and grow your channel without breaking the bank. So let's dive into the details. The first thing you have to do is understanding the power of AI on YouTube. Understand what AI is and how it can be used on YouTube. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines. On YouTube, AI can be used for a variety of purposes such as video editing, captioning, and generating content ideas. AI can help you save time, effort, and money, and produce high-quality content that can attract more viewers and increase your channel's revenue. Secondly, free AI tools to create and optimize YouTube videos. Secondly, let's talk about some of the free AI tools that you can use to create and optimize your YouTube videos. The first tool is Lumen 5, which is an AI-powered video creation platform that can turn your blog posts into engaging videos in minutes. The second tool is TubeBuddy, which is an AI-based YouTube channel management and optimization tool that can help you with keyword research, tag suggestions, and video analytics. The third tool is Canva, which is an AI-assisted graphic design tool that can help you create stunning thumbnails, channel art, and other graphics for your YouTube channel. Thirdly, how to monetize your YouTube channel with AI. Finally, let's discuss how you can monetize your YouTube channel with AI. The first way is through YouTube's AdSense program, which allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your videos. To be eligible for the program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. The second way is through affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products in your videos and earn a commission on every sale. The third way is through sponsored content, where brands pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. AI can help you with all of these monetization strategies by providing you with data-driven insights and optimizing your content for maximum engagement. So that's it for this video on how to make money on YouTube with AI, even if you have no budget. I hope you found this information helpful and that you can use it to grow your YouTube channel and start earning money. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to use AI for your business. Thanks for watching.